RDS Proxy creates a connection pooler so that short-lived AWS Lambda functions connecting to RDS does not quickly exhaust all connections. So imagine you have a serverless application and you want to use a relational database as opposed to a NoSQL database. The challenge here is that every single Lambda that spins up is going to create a new connection. It's not going to reuse a connection because when you think of a traditional monolithic application, what it's going to do is it's going to establish connection, and that one app is going to manage a certain amount of connections, like 4 or 5. It has its kind of own little internal connection pooler, and it'll utilize it efficiently, right? And so Lambda is just constantly spinning up new connections, and that's going to overwhelm your database. If you spin up an RDS instance, like the small size, it's like 20 or something really small. So the idea is that RDS Proxy creates a pool of connections, and we'll reuse those connections for new Lambdas that are establishing connection. Have you ever heard of PG Bouncer? Basically, this is like PG Bouncer in the cloud, but obviously it's for more than just Postgres. This thing is a pain to set up. Every time I've wanted to use it, it's always been a nightmare to configure. But anyway, it is a really good offering when you want to work with a relational database, but have use Lambda serverless compute. Could it be utilized without Lambda? I just couldn't find an example where you could connect with it. I believe it's specifically for Lambda, but there you go.